Oh boy. Gotta run the gauntlet here and try not to get the Jimmy's paint burnt off. These piles today are huge. Some of them real close together. Oh man. Oh, I can feel. Whee! Boy, that's hot right through the glass. And they'll get bigger. I gotta keep checking on them. Make sure they don't go anywhere. Oh, it's just amazing. Anyway, there's got 41 of them lit. And I'm gonna have to babysit every darn one, I think. Make sure it doesn't creep. Get out my shovel. They're burning up okay. Got a little breeze going uphill, but well, I don't know. It might be really good. Because the ground is so wet and frozen for the last few days. It actually might turn out better, I think.